concept of demand within the subject of economics. So basically, first of all, we will define what is demand. The quantity which buyers are willing to purchase at prevailing market price. That any buyer are going to purchase at prevailing market price. Prevailing means the price that buyers are going to buy at any price is the market price. Here we'll take an example. Here we have price. Let's suppose it's ice cream. How change in the prices change the demand of the ice cream. We'll draw a graph here. X-axis, this is y-axis. So now we'll put price on this side, price on y-axis, and quantity the price is lower at 3 will be at 60. This will be the goods will be sale out at the price of 3. Now when the price leads to 5, the demand reduced to 50. Price goes higher at 8, the demand will become 30. And then when the price goes to 10, the demand will be 20. So here if we draw a line of demand at the price of 10, the demand will be 20. The demand will be 30. At the price of 5, the demand will be 50. The price of 3, the demand will be 60. This is basically shows the inverse relationship between price and demand. Price is inversely proportional to demand. As the price increases, increase in price result in the decrease of the demand of that product.